Hello everybody, it's Wednesday the 24th of August 2022 and I am at Shustoke Reservoir. Well, here I am at Shustoke Reservoir. I haven't cycled all the way here. That would have been about, I don't know, 12-15 miles. I parked at Hall Park Farm. It's quite busy there. In fact, Wednesday is the day they have the motorbikes turn up. A local, there's a South Birmingham motorbike club. I used to signwrite at Hall Park Farm, so I know the folk well. I parked my car right up the top there, nobody knows, so I've left it there. They won't mind, they won't know. Anyway, yeah, this is Shustoke Reservoir. It's quite a nice place. The water's low because it's been so dry over the last few months, but there is water on it, so yeah, a place to come really. The weather, it's neither one thing or the other. It's quite warm, but it's a little bit humid, murky, overcast, and it's been raining. I say raining, drizzling if it was that. Yeah, but it's stopped now, thank goodness. So I have got the drone with me, of course, and I will send it up in a minute. Well, for anybody that's interested, the Drone Assist app shows this map, and Shustoke Reservoir, as you can see, it's in this red area, which is called the Controlled Traffic Region, CTR, which is the Birmingham Airport one. So I contacted them by going to their website, which is what I was advised to do, and they give you another map which looks like this. And that shows, look, right at the top is Shustoke Reservoir, and we're well outside of the area that they're concerned with. So I can fly, and I did. Don't forget there are some creatures that can fly in the air, walk on the land, swim on the water, and swim under the water. Clever. The Nuneaton to Birmingham railway line runs right next to the reservoir, as you can see, and this has got to be the fanciest freight train I've seen. It's got a lilac pink engine and 17 yellow trucks. Very nice, stylish. There you have it, short and sweet. Until next time, thanks for watching, bye bye.